If you want to show notifications on cover screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we can go to settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down and then go to cover screen. And now over here, you have two options. You can go to notifications in order to make sure that notifications are enabled in general. And also you can go back. Let's go back to the cover screen. And also, in addition to that, you can go to the edit of the cover screen. And on the left side, we have this plus button. And this is used, for example, to make this dot appear. And this dot indicates that you have new notifications. And you can also switch it to icons only, so you see icons in the top left corner of the cover screen. Press done in order to save your changes. And now let's go to the cover screen. And over here, if we go to the lock screen, as you can see here, we have the notification. You can also see the orange dot that I had shown you. And you can also swipe to the left in order to see notifications as well before you unlock your Galaxy Z Flip 7.